Let's go through
Let's go through
an example of
an
example
example
of
of
the
computing the
Man-Whitney test.
Man-Whitney
Suppose
test.
we have two
Suppose we have
groups,
two
Group
groups,
1 and
Group
Group
1
2.
and Group 2.
We want
We
to
want
compare their
to compare
scores.
their scores.
Here are the scores
Here
for
are the
each group.
scores for each
Group
group.
1
Group 1
has
has
12,
12,
15, 12,
15, 12,
17,
17,
20, and
20,
22.
and 22.
And Group 2
And
is
the group 2
8,
is 8,
18,
18,
13,
13,
16, and
16,
19.
and 19.
Step 1. State the null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis HO, the distributions of the two groups are the same. Alternative hypothesis H1, the distributions of the two groups are different. Step 2. Combine the data and rank them. Combine data 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, and 22. Ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
So in step 3, calculate the sum of ranks for each group. So in group 1, ranks 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 34. And in group 2, ranks 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 21. So here in step 4, calculate the test statistics. U equals mean U sub 1 and U sub 2 is equal to mean 34 and 21 is equal to 21.
For the step 5, determine the critical value or p-value. The critical value or p-value can be obtained from statistical software or tables. Let's assume we obtain a p-value of 0.043. Now for the step 6, compare the test statistic u to the critical value or p-value. Since the p-value 0.043 is less than the significance level, which is, for example, A is equal to 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. We conclude that there is a significant difference between the two groups.
Remember to adjust the significance level according to your specific requirements and use appropriate statistical software or tables to obtain critical values or p-values for accurate results.
I hope this example helps you understand how to compute the Man-Whitney U test. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.